In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Bybit to Coinbase. To do this, first just go and open up Bybit and then click Assets in the bottom right. From here, just go to the account that you want to withdraw from, which for me is my funding account. Then here, just open up the cryptocurrency you want to transfer over to your Coinbase account. I'll go with Solana. And then make sure you own some of it, and if you do, you can then click Withdraw at the bottom. And here you will need to put in an address and a network and then an amount. Now to find all of this, first just go and open up Coinbase. And on Coinbase, click Transfer and then click Receive Crypto. Now here, select the same cryptocurrency that you picked on Bybit, which for me is Solana, so I'll just search for Sol right here and then select it. Then here you can see Receive Sol on the Solana network, which means in this case you need to select the Solana network. So just go and copy your wallet address, go back to Bybit and paste in the address here. And then for the network, select Solana. Now here for the amount, you can just click max and you can choose which funding account you want to do. Now you can also do a specific amount if you want. And after entering how much you want to transfer, you can then click withdraw. And after doing that, you will need to confirm that you're actually the owner of the Bybit account by adding the authenticator code if you have, for example, Google Authenticator set up, and entering a code that has been sent to your email address. Then after doing that, it will show up in your Coinbase account and you will have then transferred the money. So that's how to transfer from Bybit to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.